As you may know, KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and it allows anyone to sell books on Amazon. Have you ever dreamed of seeing your book available for sale on Amazon? With KDP, two birds with one stone. You'll learn the secrets to effortlessly list your book as an ebook and a printed book on Amazon KDP. Get ready to reach millions of readers worldwide. With this step-by-step guide, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to get your book listed on Amazon KDP in just a matter of hours for ebooks and within 1 day for printed books. You'll discover how to access and navigate the Amazon KDP interface. Use Amazon KDP's templates to make your formatting easy. Make your manuscript print ready the first time. Optimize your manuscript for e-reader viewing. Quickly create a high-quality book even if you've never written one. This high-quality KDP course comes with full private label rights and a reseller kit, so you can start selling it as your own product immediately. That means not only can you benefit by learning from it yourself, you can also turn it into a new stream of sales right away. You don't have to be an Amazon expert or know anything about KDP. Don't let this be another opportunity you miss, only to regret it later. Don't wait any longer. Take action now and enroll in KDP, two birds with one stone, to turn your book into a best-selling sensation on Amazon KDP. Visit the below link to get it now.